Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I was gonna take you guys along with me while I get my house cleaned. It is a Sunday for me, and I wanted to get as much done today as I could so that my weekly routine can get back into place. On the weekends, I don't follow a cleaning routine and my house gets completely destroyed. I need to figure that part out for my life to make it a little easier, but I love Sunday cleans because I get to have a whole day of uninterrupted cleaning. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me and let you guys see how dirty my house got. It's pretty bad. If you haven't yet, consider hitting that subscribe button, giving this video a like, and let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start my cleaning by tackling my office and my guest room area. I had some editing I wanted to get done that evening, so I wanted to have a clean space to do that in.
Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I could never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Do I ever let go of the days I wish we had? Stop crying over things I can't take back, not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of life instead, well, not yet.
My nursery in the past week and a half has gotten pretty out of hand. I am really behind on laundry. I've been sorting through some clothes. I got in a bunch of her birthday boxes, like for her decor and her presents. So I've been storing literally everything in her room, and the whole room just got like disorganized, and it's been used a lot more recently. We hang out in there during the day and play. I don't know. I don't usually use my nursery, but my daughter's getting older, and I tend to go to different rooms during the day just to kind of give her a different scene, I guess. I'm going to go ahead and start by cleaning her bedding, and then I'm going to go ahead and use a Clorox wipe to wipe down her mattress just to make sure it's sanitized. And then I'm going to get all this laundry put away, because if I don't start it now, I'm never going to start it. I have noticed since I did the whole KonMari folding method, I tend to put off laundry more because I absolutely hate folding this way. It's not fast for me, but I absolutely love the way it looks in my drawers. So I am sticking with it. I'm still doing it, and I'm trying my best to keep it up, but honestly, I don't like folding this way. It doesn't come naturally to me. But I'm going to get everything folded in the KonMari way and put it all away in the drawers, and then we will move on to some other rooms. come to realize that my husband and I have been keeping up with laundry a lot more, like, better than I realized. I had a whole other basket of clean laundry to fold and put away, set underneath the blankets, and I just was like, that's a hard nope. We're not doing that today. So I picked up, put it in her crib, and I'll take care of it on another day. But I was so discouraged as soon as I saw it. Like 3 baskets of baby clothes to fold and put away. It blew my mind, and I just wasn't in the mood to do that. So I have to go through all of Tennyson's shoes and get rid of the ones that she used to wear between her 0 to 6 month size, and then I'm going to keep the ones she actually uses now. We're all on hard soles now. She walks a lot. We go out in public, so all of her shoes pretty much have the hard soles. So I'm going to go ahead and fix up her closet and her cubby areas and just get it all kind of organized. I have noticed in this past month and a half, she's kind of growth spurted quite quickly. So like everything in her drawers, I'm already having to possibly purge it and move them up to the next size. It's incredible how fast they grow sometimes. So my husband was super sweet. When I was cleaning up the upstairs, he went ahead and folded the laundry that was downstairs in the dryer. So I'm going to go ahead and start by putting that away, and then I'm going to pick up my room. This room is like, we don't even spend time in here, and it just somehow, like, clothes get piled up on top of things. It's mostly my fault, mostly. And then I have a water bottle addiction. Like, I drink a lot of water, and so does my husband, but I think I'm worse than he is. And I leave them scattered all over, like on top of his dresser, on top of my nightstand, all over the floor. So I need to make time more often during the week to pick those up and bring them downstairs, but I just like leave them everywhere. You'll see.
Incredible, incredible. Said I won't fight it. This time I won't fight for it. I just got a feeling. So long I've been missing it.
So my husband and I do have a typical routine when it comes to our bedding. We change it once a week. Typically it's on a Friday or a Sunday. We just kind of strip everything down, get it all cleaned, and we replace it with either backups or the clean stuff that we have in the dryer. But that's one thing that I do find pride in, that we actually do keep up that routine, and it's just come naturally to us over the past couple of years.
Incredible, 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 incredible. You and me, feels like we're so meant to be. Incredible, 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 incredible. Incredible, incredible. Incredible, incredible. Incredible, incredible. Incredible, incredible. You and me would be incredible. You and me would be incredible. You and me, feels like I know we would be incredible, 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 incredible. You and me, feels like we're so meant to be incredible, 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 incredible.
have noticed with like my new routine that I started, where if I clean my bedroom, I clean my bathroom, and I typically do a whole house clean once a week. So something I did notice was cleaning my bathroom every single week and keeping up with that and just whatnot. Like, I tend to pick it up during the week more, and my husband honestly has been keeping it so much cleaner. There's not as much like beard hair and nonsense. He doesn't leave his stuff out all the time, and it has given me such like a yay, finally we figured out at least one part of our house. I'm gonna go ahead and wash our bedding, and I did pick up this Lysol laundry sanitizer. I haven't used it yet before, so this is my first time. I wanted to try it out because I'd seen it in a lot of videos of other mommy YouTubers who tend to use it on like their towels and their rugs and their like linens in general. So I wanted to try it out because it sounded like a good idea. I never really thought about sanitizing things since they're running through the washer, but once I saw it, I was like, gotta try it. I'm also gonna go ahead and pick up my kitchen. On this day, I did finish here on the kitchen. I picked it up, did the best I could, and then I decided I needed to give my dog a bath. He was super muddy and messy, and he had painted our dining room with mud, and it was a good day to do it. So I went ahead and gave him a bath, and then we headed on down to the park with our daughter. So the next morning I did get up and finish doing my dining room and my living room. I did record that for you guys, so stick around.
fight the loss. I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me, shadowing me, I won. Oh, the sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun. Oh, I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance, just wanna
So when I had said that my dog had painted the wall, this is what I'm talking about. This wall gets dirty on a regular basis, but this one was a little bad, so like my worst so far. He was like muddy and he had like walked across the wall and I didn't realize it, and like his tail was just like brushing mud all along the wall. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off, and then I will be done for the day. I'm gonna vacuum up and get everything ready, and then I can move on with my day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you motivation to get the job done that you needed to today. And I will see you guys on the next one. And thank you for watching.